Today I'd like to talk to you about the proper use and maintenance of a yard weed eater. Now, for the most part, everyone's yard in the neighborhood's pretty much already been mowed, so this was probably about the best spot we could find to demonstrate the proper use of a weed eater. So let's go ahead and start it up and show you how to do that. Now I'm going to use the throttle control just enough to get it spinning to do the job. One thing I'd like to point out when you're using your gas-powered weed eater, make sure that you don't get too close to the grass. What'll happen is you'll end up scalping the grass. If you get too close, you'll end up taking off too much grass and making a dead spot in your lawn. So make sure you keep a fair enough distance when you're using the edger.